How to create group chat on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you create a group chat on TikTok. So let's get started. First, as you have to open TikTok app with your account. After you open TikTok, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on inbox. From the inbox section, you'll have to open the conversation. From where you want to create a group chat, simply you can search for the contact by tapping on the search icon at the top right. After you open conversation, tap on three dots at the top right. From here, tap on create group chat, and from there, you'll have to add other member or other TikTok ID to that group. After you select another contact, simply tap on start group chat. After you tap on that, you'll be able to create a group chat on TikTok. Simply you can change the name of that group, as you can also set that group on any social media platform. You can as usual add any new members, and from there you'll be able to start a group conversation and group chat. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.